Hi friends, happy Thursday. Okay, today for reading, I want you to click on the first story, Giggle Giggle Quack. This is a story we've read before. It's a silly one about some animals that try and trick the farmer. Next, you're going to click on Living on Farms, which is a nonfiction reader. I want you to try and read this story to yourself. After you've read both stories, please type in the template where you see the I notice question. Go ahead and write to me a sentence about something that you found interesting. Then skip down to I wonder and write a question that you had when you were reading and listening to the stories. Last, you're going to fill out this book reminds me of. Type out a sentence about a connection that you've made. Remember, connections are things like other books that you've read that this reminds you of, or other things that you have experienced that this reminds you of, or things in the world that this reminds you of. So we have text-to-text connections, text-to-self, and text-to-world connections. When you're finished typing in your reading journal response questions, please log on to Imagine Learning. If you have not done this before in your Chromebook, you are going to need to type in our site code, which is right here. You shouldn't have to type this site code in every time, but you probably will need to do it for at least the first time on your Chromebook. After you finish this, you are going to be looking at some more two-dimensional shapes. The first shape you're going to look at is a pentagon. What is it called? Oh, I heard you say pentagon. Great job. A pentagon has 5 sides. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It also has 5 angles. Let's count those together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, friends. Then we're going to look at a hexagon. What's it called? Good job, hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. Good job counting. And 6 angles. Then you're going to look at a triangle. You know about triangles. How many sides and angles, friends? That's right, 3 sides and 3 angles. Nice work. Next, you're going to be looking at a quadrilateral. We learned about quadrilaterals this week. They are 4-sided figures. They also have 4 angles. I want you to try drawing a pentagon, a hexagon, a triangle, and a quadrilateral on a scrap piece of paper. Then count your sides and count your angles. You do not need to turn anything in for math today. Please just practice drawing a pentagon, hexagon, triangle, and quadrilateral. Then count your sides and the number of angles. Great work today, friends!